Hello guys, ito yung mga swimmer oh.
Ayun oh.
Ano?
Yan.
Mystery Island.
Mystery Island, mga lods.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hindi, topless woman here. Oh, yes, yes.
That's the only reason I don't do it. But you still go to the method.
Malon, malon. Alright mga lods, let's go. Nice island. It's beautiful island mga lods. I thought you were going back. Back to back. Alright. Alright. Malinaw ba?
Sarap maligo.
Ah,
Ayan na.
ayan na. Beautiful island mga lods. So guys, hey partner, balita dyan?
Ayos ba?
Ayos lang.
Ganun pa rin.
Ay, yung paninda mo dyan. Ah. Alright mga lods.
Aloha!
Hey!
Morning!
Hello!
Kaya mo lang
Ah.
isa lagi chef po.
Mr. Island. Alright.
Island.
Punta natin yung runway.
Saan ba tayo pumunta?
May runway dito eh.
Kami tayo maligo.
Alright mga lods. Ikot lang tayo mga lods. Ikot ko kayo mga lods dito sa small island mga lods. First aid station. Uy! Uy!
Oy, Lods! Mga Lods!
Mystery Island.
Mystery Island.
Ayos no? Maya maya, ligo tayo.
Look tayo mo.
Dito.
Okay, we do the snorkeling one and the boat ride. What's your name? Fresh coconut mga lods. Dagat din sa kabila mga lods, mamaya pupunta tayo dyan. Wow! Look at this. Jangan jangan pucin aja. Jangan pucin aja.
Ikot ko kayo mga lods dito. Punta tayo sa kabila. Kabilaan yung baybayin dito mga lods. Oh.
Sometimes I feel like throw my hands up in the air. I know I can count on you.
Race fruits mga lods. Wow, it's amazing. Ganda mga lods. Tara, sa kabila tayo. Sa kabilang way tayo mga lods. Hello sir. Ang dami dito mga lods, mga kubo-kubo. Ito yung kanilang mga tirahan mga lods. Oh, may massage sila rito. Hello. How you doing? Ito yung mga nakatira na tao dito mga lods.
The 31 most haunted places in the world in 31 days. Inuig Island, also known as Mystery Island in Vanuatu, has a dark and eerie reputation. During the day, it's a beautiful island in the South Pacific with pristine white sand beaches,
Look, mga lods.
palm trees, and crystal clear water ideal for swimming and snorkeling. But at night, locals swear that the island is haunted
Lutuan mga lods. Pakatao niluluto dito mga lods.
by mysterious spirits of their ancestors. Nobody, not even the locals, vendors, or the owners of the island stay after dark, even though they stay on neighboring islands. There aren't a ton of specific ghost stories, but the fact that the locals swear by it, and this beautiful island is still uninhabited to this day, likely means there is something more sinister to this island.
Hello.
Called
Dito maganda rin dito mga lods. Kabilaan. Ikot lang muna tayo mga lods. Ikot ko kayo dito sa beautiful island of Mystery Island. Meron sila ditong maliit na store mga lods kung gusto niyang bumili ng soft drinks. Hello. May beer, may soft drinks. Kaya buhangin mga lods. Hello. Yung mga paninda nila dito mga lods. Hello. Hello. Alright. Hello guys.
Hi.
Hello. Sila yung mga nakatira dito mga lods. Wow. Paano kayang ilaw dito sa gabi? Parang walang kuryente dito sa gabi mga lods. Oh. Ito yung mga tropa natin, naliligo na. Hello guys. Ang bilis nyo nakalublob dyan ah. Ah, ang bilis ah. Ano, malamig, mainit? Wow. Maya tayo, ikot muna tayo. Ah. Mukhang mahaba pa doon mga lods. Grabe ang init mga lods. Sobrang init. Wow. Alright mga lods, naikot na natin CR nila yan mga lods. Alright.